The source of fund for the proposal, Mr. Chair, of 138 ay manggagaling po siya sa corporate operating budget of PhilHealth in the year 2025.
Corporate operating budget.
Apo, COB. Corporate operating budget. Uh,
Itong 40 plus, dun din magagaling.
Opo. Pero meron ditong sa 48.5, mayroon 323 na manggagaling sa 2024 extended validity.
324,000.
323,000, Mr. Chair.
Manggagaling saan?
2024 COB, pero
Ano yung COB?
corporate operating budget.
Okay.
We requested and approved by the board for the
So kailan po ba yung anniversary ninyo?
February 14, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So this event